Hey guys, happy Wednesday. Spirit Week this week. It's College Wednesday, so I have my UW Husky gear on. Today for math, we are going to go into some word problems with area and perimeter. It's really important that you guys watch this video because this is really going to help you on your assignment for today. Hint, hint, they look very similar. So the first thing we're going to talk about, and I'm going to be doing work on the assignment while we're doing our lesson so you guys can have something to be watching. So first things first, let's start with thinking about and remembering what is the equation we use to find the area of a square or a shape. Area is the total amount inside. So to find the area, we do length times length, there we go, times width. I'm going to type this at the top of my page to help me remember what the formula for area is, and you guys are going to need to do that too on your assignment. So for area, the distance inside of our shape is length times width. For perimeter, remember that's the total distance around our shape. So we have 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. I'm also going to put in a note that when we are labeling this, we label perimeter with units, and area, we label it with units squared. I'm actually going to say units squared. Okay, so my first word problem. I have the new table Mrs. Beatty bought for her house is 4 feet long and 7 feet wide. When we are solving word problems, the first thing we should always do is highlight our key information. So looking at that problem, thinking about what do we need to know to find the area and perimeter, what is that key information? We're going to have 4 feet long and then 7 feet wide. Those are our dimensions of my table, and that's going to help me find the area. If you guys have pen and paper, you can use pen and paper to help you, which I'm going to do for this first one. So I have my table. Doesn't need to be pretty. And then using that information, I know that that table is 4 feet long and 7 feet wide. That should help you guys with finding the area and perimeter. So I know that area equals length. So for my problem, I know that I need to multiply 4 times 7. So I can skip count by 4. And to show my work, I can say 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 4 plus 4. So I have 4 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which equals 28. And instead of writing units, notice my table is in feet. So I'm going to say feet. It's 28 feet, units squared. If you know your math facts and you already know 4 times 7, then you can just write, I know my math facts. But if you don't know your math facts, repeated addition is a great way. So I know my area is 28 feet, and I don't need my units because I've already given my units, which is feet. So it's 28 feet squared. All right, perimeter, we have our equation at the top, 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. So to write that out, I need to first multiply 2 times 4, which is how many feet long, or my length, plus 2 times 7. So I'm looking back at my word problem for help. I have my 7 and my 7, my 4 and my 4. So first things first, 2 times 4, 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 plus 2 times 7, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Now I need to add those two together. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 22 feet. So my perimeter is 22 feet and my area is 28 feet squared. You don't have to do this, but if you want to, you can bold your answers and then move on. All right, next word problem. Mrs. Beatty is going to make a garden for Zoe and LJ to play in. I'm such a nice animal owner. The garden is 5 feet wide and 9 feet long. First step, we need to highlight our key information, which is our dimensions of the garden. That way we can quickly look back at that information, and have it help us. So I have 5 feet, my mouse is being silly, and 9 feet. All right, area again. By now you guys should have these equations memorized since we've been practicing. Area is length times width, which looking at my word problem, it is 5 times 9. Now I know my 5 facts: 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. 45 feet squared. That is my area. And then my perimeter, again, you guys, perimeter, you should be thinking it's the whole distance around. So perimeter equals 2 times my length, since there are 2 lengths, and 2 times my plus 2 times my width, because there are 2 sides. So I'm going to have 2 times 5, which is my length, plus 2 times 9, which is my width. So if I look, 2 times 5, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Plus 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Remember, you need to add them all together because perimeter is total distance around. So 10 plus 18 is 28. 28 feet. So I have my perimeter is 28 of my garden. And my area is 45 feet squared. So this is an example of how you guys are going to find the area and perimeter using word problems. You have 2 problems that you need to complete, and that is all for today. I miss you guys, and I'll see you later.